Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Discovery Plus on your TV with an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is set up properly and works smoothly. Step 1. Begin by gathering all necessary materials and information you'll need for the activation process, including your account details, identification, and the specific card, device, or service you're activating. Step 2. Access the appropriate platform by opening your web browser or mobile app. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information during the process. Step 3. Locate the activation section within the platform. This is typically found in your account settings, under a menu labeled Activate, Register, or Get Started. Look for clear instructions or prompts. Step 4. Enter all required information accurately, including card numbers, serial codes, or account credentials. Double-check each entry to avoid errors that could delay activation. Step 5. Follow any verification steps that appear on screen. This may include receiving a confirmation code via text message or email, which you'll need to enter to proceed with activation. Step 6. Review all terms and conditions carefully before accepting. Make sure you understand any fees, limitations, or usage policies that apply to your activation. Step 7. Complete the activation by clicking the final confirmation button. You should receive an on-screen message indicating successful